am back. I'm restarting my loc journey, so let's just get right into it. In October, September, October of 2019, before you know what, I cut my sister locks. I'd had them for just right at 4 years. The next month would have been 4 years. And I cut them because at that time I was not willing to self-maintain my hair. My consultant was moving. I was having a lot of issues finding another consultant. It was no longer freeing for me to have my hair locked. And so I just cut my hair. And I've been rocking and rolling since. The past few years I have bleached my hair, shaved my head bald, not once but twice. I've also been blonde, I've been red, I've gone back dark. I've done a whole lot of stuff while my hair was short. I was just like living in these streets as far as my hair was concerned. And then, so October 21, I shaved my head for the last time. I shaved it for the first time July of 21, and then again in October 21. So October 21 until June 22, I just let my hair grow out. Present, which is April of 23, I've had my hair in either extension braids or extension twist, and I'm kind of just at the point now to where I'm tired of wearing my hair, adding hair to my hair. And I miss having my hair always just done when it's locked. And so I'm going to be restarting my loc journey. So some things I'm going to be doing the same, things I'm going to be doing differently. The biggest thing is I'm going to be self-maintaining. And the other big thing is that I'm not getting sister locks, but I am going to have interlocks. So I will be DIY interlocking my hair. Let me put a pin in that. I'm going tomorrow to a licensed hairstylist to have 2-strand twists put in because I do want a grid. Then I'm going to go home and I'm going to come home and I'm going to interlock my roots to the 2-strand twist. So I will still consider it DIY interlocking, but I want to acknowledge the fact that I'm going to a professional to have her put in my, get the parts and everything, get everything nice and even. So then from that point on, I'll be DIYing it. So I'm not going to go for super small locks. I want somewhere in a solid small, because my size of my hair is shaved, and I plan to keep the size of my hair shaved. So let me show you that. And also let me show you the length. So this is how much hair I've grown since October 21. I think I trimmed my ends one time. So I'm about here and here as far as the length of my hair. So not quite collarbone, or I guess maybe, but anyway, but that's, just past my ears. I held it up straight. There we go, which is a little bit right at the length of my palm. But anyway, that being said, both my sides are completely shaved. This is the quote unquote grown out. I shave my sides about once a month. Every time I put in a new protective style, I shave the sides and I shampoo and then put the new style in. So I will probably continue along with that probably just stretch it out to every time I retighten, then I will just shave my sides unless it's a special occasion. Now let me show you the back. So I've completely shaved down into a V back here. So I don't want to end up, I need enough that I still kind of get a full look. I'm hoping that I end up with probably somewhere between 95, no more than 115. I think 95 to 105 would probably be a good amount of locks. And I want them small, but not micro, not tiny. The biggest of the small, the smallest of the medium, kind of just right, just right. I'm hoping for probably about 13 to 15 rows. I do want a center part all the way through my hair, and I do want still my hair to be in a grid. I would love for you to come on this journey with me to see, one, how I do at DIY retightening, because if any of you have been with me for a while, you know that I have always been team pay somebody. I've got some knowledge of what should be done, and there are things I am going to take from having sister locks as far as staying on a retightening schedule. I used to go between 5 and 6 weeks, and I want to continue to stay on a schedule. My hair worked better on a schedule. Things I'm looking forward to most are just to kind of go back to having locks. The thing that I'm probably dreading the most is I know, because my hair, and I don't know how it looks right now, but if you watch any of my older videos, you'll see that I had a lot of slippage and bunching. So I'm going to have to be braiding and banding, and I can't say I'm looking forward to that. Like I said, I've kind of been out here in these hair streets, just living my hair life. the past few years, but the trade-off of being able to just kind of have my hair always done, I really enjoyed having my hair locked. I don't regret cutting it. I don't regret the first Sister Loc journey at all. It's just, it's hair. It'll grow back. So this is where I am, and will this journey last 4 years? Probably 4, 5, 6 years. And I'm not gonna say I want to have my hair locked for the rest of my life. It's just hair. I mean, I've shaved my head bald with a razor twice, so I'm not afraid of starting over. Oh, let me show you this. So if you've been with me, you know that I think I've shared this. I was like born with a couple of strands of gray hair, and then of course my lifetime, they come out, come in, come out, come in. And when I had locks, I was like, I really think it would be cool if my hair grew in like a streak or anything like that. So I, since I've not been coloring my hair anymore, now that I've made the effort to grow it out, I want to show you. Let me see if I can lean. There we go. You see right here, I'm probably going to end up with maybe like eventually 2 or 3 just like all silver locks. And so I'm a little excited about that. I'm so excited to see how it'll look. But yeah, so the streak is happening, people. The streak is happening, kind of all right in that area. But yeah, I think it'll look pretty cool. So stay tuned. I'm going for my appointment tomorrow. 24 hours from now, my hair will be into strand twist, and I will then be starting the process of interlocking my roots, and I'm just going to do 1 rotation through. All right, you guys, have a day and or night as beautiful as you are. Take care. Bye.